shouldn't be too bad. It's only 7 nuts and bolts. Again, just Paul doing what I do. Yeah. And I have to bring out the extra wrenches. There we go. So like I say, we get it there. They told us even swap. And it hasn't been a year, but we did put it through its punches, let me tell you. So, oh man. You notice, yeah, you always lose the 10mm bolt or nut, socket that you need. I used to have 2. But the one you use the most is the one that disappeared. But I'll tell you, for the price that we paid and what I did down there in the forest last fall, spring, and summer, this thing's paid for itself 3 times over. And if they agree to their warranties agreement they told us, then we'll get another one in a box. And I'll put it together. If it happens again, by that time I'll be done with the forest. And then it's just basic trimming left to do. I'll just return it and get the money. That's like I rented it for free. No. But if it happens again, they might actually offer, because they can't keep giving these things away. Don't drop that on the phone. All you guys do this videotaping one-handed, and now I know why. It's not an easy task. I forget to videotape. I wish I would have done the videotape from yesterday when I was doing the actual chipping. So if we get a new one, you can watch me unbox it, put it together, and we'll go from there. I'm going to finish this up. I may come back once or twice and show you some photos or a little short video. I won't name the box store yet until they come through with their return or not, and then I'll give you a good review one way or the other. But till then, Paul S. Paul Stu, doing what I do. Peace. Have fun. Be nice. Be kind. And yeah, that's it. Until later. Bye.